This is the Aura. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today.
Several residents have been left in shock after a mother and father were killed, allegedly by their son, in Christian Meadows, Portmore, St. Catherine this morning. Commanding officer for the St. Catherine South Police Division, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, says the alleged killer has been taken into police custody. He said the accused seems to have mental issues. One of the 10 men listed as wanted by the police in Portmore, St. Catherine, has turned himself in. He is Damian Devil Henry, a 21-year-old from Old Harbour. Henry was being sought for a murder that occurred in 2013. Dancehall artist Rytical has been freed of illegal firearm and ammunition charges in the Supreme Court on Friday. Rytical, whose given name is Rohan McFarlane, was charged in January 2021 after he was reportedly seen acting suspiciously while police were on patrol in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. Police reportedly questioned the artist following a search of his car. Ataro's .380 pistol and 12 rounds of ammunition were found. He had denied any wrongdoing. In sports, former national junior representative Krista J. Daly has signed a one-year loan deal with top-flight Slovenian club FC Koper. The 19-year-old Daly left the island recently and will be the second Jamaican at the club, joining Kaheem Paris. And in entertainment, Tammy Chin and Wayne Marshall have announced that they will be welcoming a baby girl to their family. The couple revealed that they were expecting their fourth child together in late January.
That has been the Aura. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.